Shuchat, and I'm with the Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver, and I'm at the National Association of Realtors Conference on the floor, and I'm looking for awesome technology to share with our members and my colleague realtors. I'm here with Chris Mitchell, and this is a pretty cool app. Their platform's called Cubicasa, and you can generate a floor plan in record time by yourself. Now, I know most of us pay a lot of money for this, from 167. It's based on dollars per square foot, pennies per square foot, but it adds up to a couple $100. Tell us about your product, Chris.
Yeah, so Cubicasa is the fastest and easiest way to capture a floor plan. Within about 5 to 10 minutes, you can record a space, send us the video, and we take care of everything else, and you get a floor plan within 24 hours with accurate room dimensions and square footage. It's that simple.
So how long does it take me to shoot a house?
It typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. I actually did my own house within 8 minutes.
How big is your house?
My house is 1,500 square foot with a 2-car attached garage and a 1-car detached garage, and I also scanned a patio as well.
So you can do all those extra spaces, right?
Absolutely. So if you want to capture outdoor spaces, you continue the recording, walk outside, capture the patio, the detached garage, a pool if it's on a slab.
The backyard? Did you do the backyard?
The backyard, we're not going to do a site plan, but you can capture, anything that's on a slab, or anything that's in a detached building.
And your unit price, it doesn't really matter if it's a 3,000 square foot home either, right?
Yeah, you can do. I've seen people do up to 20,000 square foot with no problem.
Same price.
Yep, same flat rate of $34.90 per scan.
That's pretty cool. So that's it. And I'm finding technology like this all over the place, so I just thought I'd share it with you. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Chris.
Likewise.